Good morning, babes. Today we're gonna test these things. We're gonna put these two on a test. This Delete glove versus micellar water. Because it's faster. I already said to you that I don't have a voice, so even with auto-tune, it sounds very bad, but I'm sorry.
I like to sing.
So let's start. We will make a line here, so we will make a real comparison between this chick and this chick. And now these are looking like baboon ass, but yeah. So let's clean them. So we will make the line. I will try to make a perfect line. Oh, a bonus tip from me. At the end of this video, I will tell you why I chose to find a new method for cleansing my face. Because it's something with micellar water, but I will only tell you at the end of the video. So keep on watching to see why, because it's a fact. I always have problems when I'm trying to do a straight line, because just look at this. It looks like a street from, I don't know, a city that is just on construction. I don't know. Just look at this. Yeah, this makes no sense. So just keep on watching and forget what I said, because I know it doesn't make any sense. But yeah, this line is not straight, but it's something. We have something, so don't judge me. So we will make the comparison right now, and we will make a little time lapse here, because we don't want like 10 minutes of videos, and we will make it here in real time here, but on time lapse. I know it's strange, but you guessed what I want to say. So guys, here is the comparison. I tried to make it as good as I could with this line, because it just came in front of me when I was trying to take it off, but yeah, you see that both of them did a great job. But this one is so cute, this little baby hat thing. You just put it on your hand and you just clean it. And now I'm gonna clean this line as well, because this is the winner. This is a winner. What did you say?
I love to be on your face.
Oh, I love you too. You're so cute, and you missed from my life like from 10 years ago.
Oh, so put me on your face now.
Okay, I'm kind of good sometimes. I'm like a kid. I act like a kid. We act like kids. Or psychos, I don't know. Okay, so we cleaned the face, and I promised you that we will have a bonus from the end. So here it is. So it says here that micellar water can contain bad ingredients like alcohol, fragrances, and preservatives. So I knew that it might contain alcohol, but I don't know, fragrances and preservatives. I did not know about preservatives, honestly. It is said to just move dirt and grime around your skin rather than actually removing it. And when I heard that, it made me like wonder why the hell I just kept using this, because this is not cleaning, this is just moving the dirt all over the face. And now I feel like I put some mold on my face and I just do this. I feel so dirty when I think about this. Go and buy this, because it's 10 times better, and this is natural, so why not? So your girl Glammedblondie finished her job, and now we are looking fabulous. If you like what we do here on this channel, go and press that like, bell and subscribe button, because we will meet a little bit later. Now I'm going to find my cat.